Friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, as you all know, I have uploaded shorts before some days and that was the promo today, and finishingly I am uploading this video. It's about how to make a beautiful and colorful pattern in Scratch. So let's see the demo of this project. So I will click on this green flag. Wow, looking so pretty. As you can see, the sound is also there and so many patterns are there, even different colors are there, looking so amazing and stunning. That's great. And as you all know guys, this I have made with only two shapes, with circle and with a rectangle, or you can say square. I made with this, and this is very easy, you can also try. So for that, first you have to see the coding of it, and for the coding my videos are available, but for that you have to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, so first let's go on file, click on new, and we will get a new desktop. For this is creating project and loading all this thing. Yes, we got it. Now as you all know, we will delete the regular sprite. I will long press on this sprite icon and I will click on this brush. When I will click on this brush, so with the help of brush we can make our own sprites. So what I will do, I will just unlock this and I will go on circle and I will choose outline color. You can also choose whatever color you want. So let me choose something great combination. You can make its brightness as you want. Okay, I am doing this orange. Yeah, this circle is perfect. Now I want a square and the square color should be different. So I will take green. So let's take green. Yeah, this one. Wow. And I will just create here. Looking so amazing. Now let's put the coding on this. So as you all know guys, for everything first we have to go in event block and we have to choose whenever the green flag click. When green flag click, as you can see here, let me zoom it. Yeah, now you can see here properly. We have drawn all the sprites which we want. Now we will go in motion and we will choose go to X and Y. As you all know, for making the position in middle we used to choose X and Y as 0. Now I want its direction to be 90 in middle and straight, so that's why I chosen this. And for the clear image, for the clear pattern, for the clear graphic, I will choose clear graphic effect from looks block, and then I will go in extension and I will choose pen. If you don't know what is extension, so you can see my introduction video. I have said everything in that, and in many projects I have used pen extension, so you can watch those videos also. So for now I will choose here erase all and I will go in control. Why I choose erase all? Because I want that whatever I am making, it should erase, because it should be erased, because next I want to make something new. So that's why. Now I have put in forever block from control session. Now I will go in motion block and I will choose turn 5 degree. Instead of 15, I will do 5 degree. As you can see here, now I am just scrolling it up, or I can zoom it like this. And now we have to go in looks block and we can choose something, change color effect by 25. Scroll down it and you will get, yeah, okay, so this one is looking so great and good. So you can change its color by 25 or 1 as you know, as you want. So I am doing it 1 only, because in 1 many different color will come slowly. And now from pen I will choose stamp. What is the function of stamp guys? With the stamp this will make more patterns, more image, like if the circle and square is making, so this will become more square and circle. So with that, with the help of stamp we can make a pattern. Okay guys, now we can see, let's see this. As you can see, it's looking very good, but still many things are remain, guys. So for that, what I will do, sound we have to put. So I will delete this pop sound. I don't like this sound, so that's why I will go in sound and I will choose loops, because I want a something background kind of sound. So that's why I'm going in loops, and in loops I will choose something. Let's see. No, it's a Halloween one. Let's see this one. No. Wow, chill sound. It's a very slow and smooth sound. So yes, we will just put the coding of this. I will just small it here, and now I will go in events block. I will choose when green flag clicked. From control block, I will choose forever block. I will zoom it here to that you can see, and now I will go in sound and play sound until done. You can choose this. So as you can see, now let's listen. Yeah, so sound is also there. Now the backdrop is remain. So for that, what we can do is we can go in backdrop and we can choose any kind of backdrop whatever we want. So I'm choosing blue sky too, but the color blue I don't like that, so that's why I can go in costume and I can just do it its color whatever I am wanting. But I want to go here on the backdrop, so I have chosen the backdrop, and the color which I want to fill is you can see a kind of something greenish or light color, so we can see the full pattern. So I will just fill it here. Wow, looking so great. Let's save it, and the last part we can see with full screen. Wow, what colors are there. It's looking so pretty and stunning, guys. Just comment me in comment section that how much you like this pattern, and tell me that will you try this or not. So yes guys, this is all about today. If you like this video, so please like, share my videos please, and subscribe to my channel, because Scratch is very helpful. And even ahead I will upload something about Photoshop, Photo P also. So just wait for that. After some days I will upload that also. So for that you have to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.